Hey guys, quick little follow-up here. So this is where we left off. I haven't worked on it a lot this winter, but I've been working on getting my garage cleaned up and sorted out so I have a little bit more of a workable station. At any rate, I've been really concerned about the reed switch that's behind here and the positioning of the magnet and before and after effects and just all this nonsense about getting the timing right and the reed switch burning out. So what I've always wanted to do is build a some kind of infrared sensor, some kind of reflective sensor, and just kind of position it here so that whenever the magnet spin by, it reflects off the magnet, and then that sends the signal back through the whole SSR, and then causes the kick to actually occur here in the solid state in the solenoid. So this is what I came up with. And it's a little breadboard. We got a little 3-volt right now coming off of that guy, and we're set up for 3 volts here, or 5 volts. What are we on? We're set for 5 volts. 5 volts right now. Actually, I wonder what I'm putting out here. Right? I don't know. Whatever. 5 volts coming out. And I don't have it turned on right now, but what I'm doing here is I just got this connected to a little speaker. It just makes a little tiny click sound, but that is essentially the output wire, which happens to be the third one. It says out down there at the bottom. Out, way down there. That's going to be the output signal that would normally come off of this reed switcher. So the signal will be, it's connected and then it goes out and it sends this signal back here through the whole process and connects back to that guy. So it's just emulating. So the whole goal is, can I get this thing to be sensitive enough and reactive enough that when I pass an object, which is semi-glossy, over it. So what I've been doing is I also have to worry about when I don't want it to be reflective, because we have to go from this surface, which is highly reflective essentially, to something that's even higher reflective, which is the magnet, and I want the magnet to send it off. So I don't want this, so I got to block this sound. So I've been trying to use this little piece of wood here. This is just felt marker, but the felt marker wouldn't work properly. It still sends it off. So I tried some black electrical tape, and that seems to work perfect. So what we got here, and we'll just power it up. See how she works. And we have power. Let me get down here a little lower. Try and hold this still. And we're just going to use the back side of this, so it's reflective right now. So you go on and off. It's making a very light ticking sound from this guy here. Okay, so now we want to not set it off. So first we're going to try the felt marker side, which I was hoping it would work because it's a super cheap option. Oh, so it's really light. You can barely hear the clicking. You can see the light go off, but the clicking is barely registering, which means it was sending an extremely low signal to that speaker. Just the light a little bit, but I want to get it to the point where the light doesn't even go off. So I'm going to flip it around. I'm going to try the tape side, and it's not even setting off the tape. So that's our solution. So I am so happy. We now have an IR switch that I'm going to rig up and attach to the solenoid. I'm going to wrap the rest of this with electrical tape as my temporary solution, and then we'll figure out how to angle the magnets on here. What's optimal. So I've created a little test base that I'm going to be doing some more tests on. But first we gotta connect this IR sensor and disconnect the old reed switch. Very excited. All right, wish me luck, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.